2015. It's 12:31 p.m. I'm calling on a load from East Windsor, New Jersey, which is up on a New Jersey Turnpike. A lot of tolls out that way. To Blythewood, South Carolina. It shows 638 loaded miles, but my deadhead is about 65. I'm in Paulsboro, New Jersey, or Swedesboro. Today's a very strong market running in New Jersey at, if you notice it, the 28,037 loads posted weekly at 6.62. That was last week, and this week the numbers are much higher. And here is 100-mile radius of Swedesboro where I'm at. 100-mile radius of Swedesboro going anywhere shows about 2,000 loads. That is a pretty freaking strong freight market for the truckers, not the brokers. Now, let me just make a phone call so you know what the hell is going on behind the scene and what the trash comes out with the answer. Here's a very conservative number. There are about 8 loads to one truck market. $2.50 is a very reasonable number coming out of 8 loads to one truck market. And let me call this guy. Will you find out he's a retard trash or he is a legit person? I'll let you make that decision. So about $1,800 I've been told by other truckers going to South Carolina many times. I'm just gonna call this number and let you hear what the person says, and then you decide he's a trash member, a gang member, or he is a legit person. 855 476 4786 4786. Alright, that is Schneider for you. Speaker on.
Thank you for calling Schneider Transportation Management.
There you go. The bigger the name, bigger trash they are,
Control purposes.
as you will
If
see.
you know your party's 7-digit extension, please enter it now.
They don't leave extension, and it's easier to fraud that way.
For inbound Midwest, press 1. For inbound Northeast, press 2. For inbound Southeast, press 3. For inbound Southwest,
3.
thank you for calling Schneider Transportation Management. All of our associates are assisting others at this time. Please hold, and your call will be answered in the order it was received.
My number is 1750 on it, and I'll deliver it. You can only run out of Northeast going out by Washington, D.C. about 450 miles a day.
All associates are still assisting others. Please continue to hold, and the next available associate will be with you as quickly as possible. Thank you for your patience.
Isn't it weird that such a huge company who has like hundreds of representatives and saying it's been about 4 minutes before they can get to the phone? I don't know. This is kind of weird. I mean, this is common though with me. With my phone, it is common. Yeah, I'm calling on a load from East Windsor, New Jersey to Blythewood, South Carolina.
South Carolina, you said?
Yes.
Alright, yeah, loads up today between 2 and 7 p.m. Delivers at 10 a.m. Tomorrow. Total weight on this one is like 11,000 pounds or 12,000 pounds. Domestic appliances and we were at a rate of $900 on it.
How about that? Hey, this is about 700 miles run for me. There's no way anybody could do more than 500 miles coming out of Northeast going south by Washington, D.C. Is that a mistake, or is that you're trying to push 7?
Honestly, man, I don't. This is like, this guy does some dumb things, so I would imagine it probably is a mistake.
Okay, and what about the rate going to
Yeah,
south?
so you had $900, I'm making $5, so I don't have much wiggle room. Where would you need to be?
Everybody else is going down there for about 1,800.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'm not everybody else, and I can't even come anywhere near that, but I appreciate it, man.
All right, buddy, thanks.
Thanks.
All right, I'll let you make the guess or the judgment. Who was that? Was that a trash member, or I showed you what I have talked to different truckers, what they go there for, and I showed you what the market looks like. It's about 8 loads to 1 truck market, and there are about 2,000 loads in this area. Curtis was the Schneider representative at telephone number 855-476-4786. He saved $900. He's making $5 out of it.